Future.
The renegade, the renegade, the renegade.
DJ Airway.
Motherfuck this industry. God bless my enemies. Too many lame niggas trying to speak, so they find the beat, it don't bother me. But any nigga can't rap, get them out ASAP. Talking about they trapping again. Hopped in the booth, I've been the truth, got proof. Guess who was the popular kid? Yes, me in the drop top with the Glock out, pop shots in the back of your head. Aiming at your side for kids. Your kind of surviving the lead. See, I'm so pissed off just a little, like a flow with a riddle. Let her ass cheek jiggle, huh? I'm a dog and I'm all in the middle. Fuck her and her, got balls all in the what? Damn, I can't call up a nigga, bust that real fast for all of my niggas. Got a man, what? Fuck that nigga, I'm good anywhere, like a sun passing them, huh? Goddamn, my flow so amazing. Ask renegades, they can quote that statement. Yo, bitch, when I have my baby. Nigga, fuck okay, it's money over them bitches. Coffee go to them snitches. Talking out of your ass, you gon' need a little more than them stitches, boy. Shit done got real, shit done got real. Shit done got real, shit done got real. Any given day you could be victimized. Just pray and hope one day you see them heaven skies. Shit done got real, shit done got real. Shit done got real, shit done got real.
I don't really think you niggas get it, I'ma decorate your face kinda like an upholstery, nigga. It's getting kinda real up in this motherfucker. I don't really think you really even should approach me, nigga. Lay down, motherfucker, you ain't heard what I said while you tryna play me closely, nigga. And now you wanna talk. I'm already about to die while you strangling and really tryna choke me, nigga. Shut a nigga down and cut a nigga till you see the white meat, but I don't really eat poultry, nigga. Fuck it, it don't matter anyway, cause you know you about to lay up in a box kinda cozy, nigga. Look, it be getting kinda bad feeling to me when a dude be acting like he know me, nigga. And then I had to let it go a couple friendly reminders till they get to sinking in your meat slowly, nigga. Yeah, get a nigga for this shit, make a nigga strip down. Bear, yogi, nigga. I know it's unbelievable. Well, bitch, you better believe it. It's the one and only, nigga. Beat him like the boy owe me, nigga. If you watch, hope you like the ceremony, nigga. And when I'm finished with him, then I go and get his little bitch just to sit and let her blow me, nigga. I wanna cry for you, friend. Why'd you try to front and you got so much to lose? The problem is that I'm not wanna show you the truth. To talk about you when a nigga get in the booth. You niggas better know the deal when I come through. Better learn or you're gonna feel. And the way this shit is looking. Shit done got real. Shit done got real.
Okay, it's money over them bitches. Coffee go to them snitches. Talking out of your ass, you gon' need a little more than them stitches, boy. Shit done got real. Shit done got real. Shit done got real. Shit done got real. Any given day you could be victimized. Just pray and hope one day you see them heaven skies. Shit done got real, yella got a deal. Shit done got real, yella got a deal. Hold up, wait a minute. Did you say my name and offer me to drive up in this motherfucker? Park it like a Buick Regal. You in needles, using needles. Feel like you wanna shoot up this dope. Well, let me swerve in like a service to the veins of the game with another unique quote. You need a bow, never done got deep. I'm so dirty, you need the soap. You need the hope and the wish. Ain't nothing like the real thing, bitch. Say you need a coat. White bread, you need a loaf. Spread butter on it. Get my opponents with the dead, yeah, I'm going. Where am I going? Could it be the them and them only? No. When I send in them chops with a syllable, I'm incomparable. It's kinda like I'm on a roller coaster with a Motorola talking to the world in a barrel roll. Hella cold. Float and put my family in better clothes. Extra vegetables on a plate and a steak right next to those. I gotta get it, buddy. And if it's dirty and wet, I'll get it muddy. Fuck clean kicks. I done walked through green shit and I did it public. So when I wipe my shoes on hip-hop's welcome mat and I leave a stain, payback's a bitch. That's my way of saying keep the change. Okay, it's money over them bitches. Coffee go to them snitches. Talking out of your ass, you gon' need a little more than them stitches, boy. Shit done got real, shit done got real. Shit done got real, shit done got real. Any given day you could be victimized. Just pray and hope one day you see them heaven skies. Shit done got real, shit done